I congratulate you, Sharma ji, for running good quality FSM services in your town. I can see you have data that shows services running smoothly. Now, can you tell us how to achieve good quality FSM projects consistently?
Now I understand. We saw the first step with the 16 quality indicators and the quality benchmark associated with each. What is the second step, Sharma ji?
Standards and specifications are a critical part of quality assurance and have to be defined for many aspects. In the case of FSM, we start with treatment standards for the FSTP. Standards are required for all the output products: treated solids, treated wastewater, emissions from thermal treatment. For example, treated solid standards have to address three main aspects: pathogen reduction. Pathogen loads are reduced so that solids can be handled safely by workers and farmers and risk to public health is minimized. Vector attraction reduction. The risk of pathogen transmission is more if insects, rodents, and birds are attracted to fecal sludge. Vector attraction reduction is therefore a must. Contaminant standards. Biosolids should not have heavy metals and other toxic contaminants that may affect the health of soils when applied by farmers.
I can see, Sharma ji, that the treated solid standards are as per international standards. I assume the treated wastewater and emission standards are more familiar to us?
Yes, treated effluent and emission standards are familiar to all of us. Let us talk about treatment process specifications. We start by addressing specifications for treatment processes. Time-tested and proven technologies should be specified to ensure that FSTPs function consistently throughout their life cycle. The main purpose of this specification is to ensure completeness of treatment process, including certain key steps such as screening, which is removal of solid waste, trash and grit from the incoming fecal sludge. Solid-liquid separation, which is dewatering the fecal sludge obtaining solid and liquid streams. The liquid stream is further treated to meet effluent discharge standards. Solids treatment, to meet pathogen and VAR standards. More technologies should be added as they emerge and prove to be robust. The second set of specifications are about the FSTP itself. A good FSTP should consist of several infrastructure components which will enable meeting the benchmarks. For example, a truck washing unit within a FSTP reduces risk of pollution elsewhere and provides a critical service to the truck operators. A well-designed receiving station reduces waiting time for truck operators. Stormwater drains protect the FSTP from flooding. Aesthetic landscaping makes the FSTP more acceptable in the neighborhood as well as enhancing pride among FSTP operators. Amenities for workers such as washrooms and change rooms and safety features such as street lighting and guardrails are essential for a proper working environment. Depending on the size and budget, some or all of the additional infrastructure components should be integrated into the FSTP.
I can see. These specifications are in line with 16 indicators, Sharma ji.
Yes, specifications are closely following quality definitions.
Yes sir, but there are more and equally important specifications. The third set of specifications are about materials and construction process. Our contractors and engineers are very familiar with codes specified by BIS and CPWD. The relevant codes for all the treatment processes specified earlier have been compiled for easy reference. The fourth and last set of specifications relates to fecal sludge, emptying and transport equipment specifications. A critical aspect of this is specifications for personal protective equipment to be used by desludging workers. Too many deaths are happening due to lack of awareness of safety and poor use of PPE. Systematic assessment of all aspects of personal safety was conducted to arrive at specifications for each safety gear. Last but not the least, the desludging equipment specifications ensure safety and fitness to purpose. For example, the vehicle used should conform to the Motor Vehicle Act regulations. The suction should be effective at a depth of 8 meters below and should fill the tank in 30 minutes.
These standards and specifications are comprehensive and cover all aspects of FSM. I can see how adhering to these standards and specifications will help us meet our quality benchmarks.
For more details on the standards and specifications, please download the Quality in FSM document from fssmquality.org.